What are the various detox water recipes? We are totally conscious about our health and try our best to achieve and maintain an ideal body weight. As a matter of fact, we tend to maintain a healthy, well-balanced diet and improve upon the physical activity in order to achieve our goal. In this health regime, water also plays an important role, as drinking water adds to no calories, improves the metabolism and fills in your stomach. Hence it's been mandatory to drink lots of water for a healthy lifestyle. That's when homemade detox drinks have been coming into the center stage, as it not only helps in losing weight but also tastes good and helps in flushing out the toxins. Detox water is the water infused with a combination of fruits, vegetables and herbs in cold water. It is easy to prepare and can be carried with you. Hence, the goodness of nutrients and taste will be always with you. Detox water tends to flush the toxins from your body, and makes a point to boost the vitamins and minerals in your body, thus promising a healthier and energetic you. What are the ingredients required or methods to be followed to prepare perfect detox water? The preparation of detox water. Homemade detox drinks. The ingredients of detox water may be different, but the method of preparation is almost the same. Place the ingredients in the bottom of the pitcher or jug or fruit infuser bottle. Pour water into the jug till the top and place it in the fridge for a couple of hours. The container containing the ingredients can be refilled about 2 times with water till it loses its flavor. Hence spice the water up with fruits, lemon or water-based veggies that not only can boost the taste but also flush out the toxin from our body. The ingredients can be mixed and matched according to your taste and requirement. You can add digestive-friendly ingredients like ginger or mint, or diuretic food like cucumber, or toxin flusher like lemon. The choice is immense and recipes are varied and easy to prepare. Homemade detox drinks recipes. Here are certain homemade detox drinks that you can prepare easily. 1. Lemon, cucumber and grapefruit detox water. Lemon, cucumber and grapefruit detox water. The presence of antioxidant that helps in flushing out the toxins, and the promise of anti-cancer properties in cucumber are beneficial. Lemon contains vitamin C, another antioxidant that has been beneficial to the immune system, cardiovascular health and skin. The addition of grapefruit consists of enzymes that can burn fat. The combination of sour and sweetness in the detox water helps to add the taste in the detox water.